Yeah, look at that. He's ready for the salmon.
Ooh.
Well done, big man. Well done, you guys. Don't you worry. I have to give him a minute to figure out, oh, I want to go and do this. Here we go. So see, he'll immediately just start solving it. Well done, little man. So we love doing a lot of, I know I mentioned obviously he's on his 3-month holiday currently, but we still want to do a lot of enrichment and ways of basically just keeping their minds engaged.
Yeah.
Just because again, this guy has the intelligence of about a 6-year-old child, so you want to keep that brain ticking over.
Yeah.
You want to keep it functioning.
And we have 4 in our team, and then well, we've got more than that. We've got 4 in our flying team currently. The names are Biggie, Phoenix, Ira, yeah, they're not quite
Yeah.
Perfect, and if you just keep an eye on them for us, that would be fabulous. I've got to go around to the black kite.
Right. Okay.
Biggie can fly, but he gets embarrassed, so
Well done, Boona.
they really are a beautiful bird. Unfortunately, they used to be a really common bird to find here in the UK, but unfortunately... I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you've learned something new. I hope you've enjoyed what the birds have put on for you because they've done cracking. And please stick around for our other shows. We've got a 2 o'clock meet and greet and a 3 o'clock finale flying show. But thank you for putting up with the heat. I understand it's very, very warm. But cheers, guys, and yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. Yeah, we've had a baby boom with our American kestrels this year. He is one of, well, technically he's one of 7. So yeah, we have 7 babies at the moment. They've got the 4 boys. If you've gone around and looked into the aviary that says American kestrels on it, they're all brothers within about a week of each other. They were all born, and so they're all hanging out together. And then we have 3 actually very, very young.
Well done, man. You're a good boy. You are.
Might stay there, leave it open. The people will stand over here and